This is how it looks like. मतलब shit! Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share some hair care products that are expensive but worth it. These are some of my personal favorite products, and if you know me, you would know I love using expensive products. It just gives me a different kind of satisfaction, and I love that because of two reasons. One is that since it's expensive, I know that I'm putting in probably the highest quality of ingredients. That's not always the case, but my brain likes to believe that. And the second point is that I feel rich. It's just one of my life goals since childhood to to be rich, to get the best possible quality in everything I do. It can be products, it can be house, it can be anything in life. I just love to have the best quality of everything. So if you're like me and if you're searching for any good quality expensive hair care products, then this video is for you. And these are not super high end also. Most of these are from 1000 to 2000. Only some of them are like 3000 rupees, but they are not 4000 5000. Itna bhi expensive, I've not yet reached there. So let's just jump straight into the video. Let's first talk about shampoo and conditioner combos. The first combo I want to talk about is by Redken. This is the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate. I have been using this combo a lot lately, ever since I received it, because this is the most expensive shampoo conditioner I have. This shampoo is like 2100 and the conditioner is 2400, so it's quite expensive. And I've seen some of my favorite hair care experts loving this range, so I definitely had my trust in the Redken brand. And when it launched in India, some of the influencers got it, and when I saw it, I got the FOMO. I'm like, I so wanna try Redken. And guess what, after a few days I received this in PR. I manifested it, and I have been really enjoying this range. So this also repairs your bonds. I won't say to depend on just a shampoo and conditioner to repair your bonds. You should use like a treatment for that, which will be left in your hair. Shampoo and conditioner just washes away, but if you just want like an overall nice feeling shampoo conditioner which will really clean out your scalp properly, because this has acids, it's gonna exfoliate your scalp really well. So if you love this kind of range, then definitely go for this. And Redken has other ranges as well, and I can vouch for them. You can go for any of them. My conditioner is almost over. I tend to use a lot of conditioner compared to the shampoo. The second range which I want to talk about, I don't have it right now because I have finished it, but I still remember it because that range was something worth remembering. I'm talking about the Aveda Cherry Almond range. I've used the shampoo and conditioner from that range. I've not used a leave-in conditioner, so I'm not sure about it, but the shampoo and conditioner I have really enjoyed using. I had personally bought it. I had not received in PR. This was like many years back when I should not get PRs and everything. I vividly remember the smell of it. The smell is not very sweet floral. It somewhat smells like almond. I won't be able to explain it as usual. I'm bad at explaining that, but I love the smell of it. I love the feeling after using it. The conditioner is quite thick, quite rich, perfect for frizzy, dry, curly hair. The conditioner is really good. The shampoo is also is quite gentle. It does not strip off your hair's natural oils, and it's a very good to have range. If you love Aveda makes amazing hair care products, then you can definitely go for that. Next range I want to talk about is again by Aveda. It's the Invati Rich range. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So I had received this range in PR. I received a travel size version of it, and I finished it when I was traveling. I specifically love the shampoo from that range for my scalp. It really cleansed out my scalp. It exfoliated it. If you have oily scalp, if your scalp gets oily very easily, greasy very easily, if your scalp itches quite a lot, and if you are looking for any Aveda range, then go for this range. It's really good, and the conditioner is also quite nice, quite nourishing and thick and moisturizing. Yeah, next is a mask. This is a shampoo and mask 2-in-1, but I like to use it as a shampoo only. I don't apply it on my hair length like a mask because this is quite strong. This is a L'Oreal Professional Scalp Advanced. They also have a shampoo, and I'm sure even that will be good. I've not used the shampoo, I've used the mask, and I really love it. I'm out of it ittu sa bacha hai, just 1 or 2 uses max. And this costs rupees 1075, and it's slightly crossing the 1000 mark. If you have any scalp issues, if you have very oily scalp, if you don't like gentle shampoos, if you want a really nice exfoliating shampoo or mask for your scalp, which will get rid of your dandruff, which will get rid of your itchiness, flakiness, which will make your scalp feel really fresh and cool, then you should definitely consider buying this, because when I use it, my scalp feels fresh and cool for days. It does not get easily greasy, and I use this as a clarifying shampoo. Whenever I have a lot of buildup, I make sure to use this. So if you're looking for a good clarifying shampoo, then also you can consider this. Next, I want to talk about hair masks which you apply on your lens, which are moisturizing. The first hair mask I have is by Fix My Curls. This is the Fix My Curls Moisture Melt Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. They also have a protein version of it. I'm yet to try it, but I really love the moisturizing hair mask. This is very expensive. This costs rupees 2000, but this is definitely worth it because of the quality, because of the experience you're getting from this product. It has very nourishing ingredients such as marahuja oil, I can't pronounce it, banana extract, shea butter, olive oil. This is specifically meant for wavy and curly hair. Now, one of the things about Fix My Curls is that they have really good nourishing ingredients in their hair, and they just don't focus on, styling part or making your hair look good and shiny. They actually focus on the health of your hair. So that's what I like about Fix My Curls. And this mask is really very nourishing. It's quite thick. This is how it looks like. Matlab, shit! I dropped it all over. Okay, it's not that thick. It was a little bit runny. So a little bit of it is left for me. I was just saving it, for the days when my hair feels extra dry. Because you don't need to use this kind of mask very often, because this is very rich. If you use too much of it, your hair will get overly soft. But if your hair is in need of, that hydration, moisturization, ekdam se you want all that in your hair is like ekdam se Sahara desert dry ho gaya hai, then you should definitely consider buying this mask. Another mask recommendation I have is by Illuvia. Ye itna bhi expensive nahi hai. This costs 1050 rupees, and I'm sure you get it on discount. I have also talked about this mask in my top hair masks in India video. You can check it out if you want more mask recommendations which are not that expensive. You can check that video out. And this is the Repair Reviver mask, and this is also specifically designed for wavy, curly and coily hair. If you have curly hair, if you have dry, dehydrated, damaged hair, so this is something you can consider, because this also repairs damaged hair. Also, this has amazing slip, makes my hair feel really soft again, and I also really love the smell of it. It has like a little bit of oil which is similar to the Ashba hair mask. If you have used the Ashba hair mask, you would know. So this oil has started to separate, and that oil makes your hair really I won't be able to show because it will fall. So that oil has started to separate. Just mix it properly. Your hair will feel really nice. It has amazing slip, and I find this mask very similar to the Ashba hair mask. That reminds me, even the Ashba hair mask is one of my favorite hair masks. Even that is, slightly expensive, and I finished it just last week. Ittu sa bacha tha, so I'm like, let's just finish it and throw away the packaging because it was taking too much space. So I finished it. One of the successful hair masks. Whenever I finish a product till the last thing, I call it successful. Okay, it has successfully penetrated in my hair, and it has done its job, and it's gone. Okay, I love finishing products. It just gives me satisfaction. I like to throw away stuff, I don't like to hoard a lot. I don't like to, store a lot of products. I just don't like that feeling. I just like to see minimal things around me. But since I'm a content creator, I need to have some products, right, to make videos about. But if I could, I would genuinely choose to have just basic few products instead of having a lot of products. With my job, that's not possible. Also, that was it for the shampoo, conditioner, mask. Let's talk about leave-in products now.